Let's talk about dental fillings. You were just diagnosed with a cavity. Oh no, what is going to happen? Well, all fillings are not created equally. And when I first started off my career, we were trained to do the old silver fillings. And yes, they had mercury in them. And yes, if done correctly, they are a very good option. But unfortunately, in this day and age, patients don't want mercury, they don't want metal, and they certainly don't want something silver in their mouth. So we have created a class of filling materials called composite resin. That is exclusively what we use here at Ponce Dental Studio, and it's what you call the white filling materials. Why? We're able to match the shade and shape and color of your teeth when we're putting these composite resin filling materials in your mouth. We're able to use materials that expand and shrink with the same properties as the natural enamel and dentin, which is the inner layer of your tooth. And we're able to fabricate and customize the bite in a way where they feel very natural to you. So fillings can be scary if you don't understand them. But now that you know that we're using biocompatible materials that look beautiful, that are actually compatible with the biology and what makes up a tooth, you can feel much more comfortable and assured that when you get fillings here at Ponce Dental Studio, they're gonna feel great, they're gonna feel natural, and they're gonna look amazing.